Amsterdam, a city that feels like a storybook come to life. Picture this, I'm standing in Dam Square, surrounded by the stunning royal palace and the buzz of bicycles whizzing by. The charm of the narrow streets beckons me to explore cozy cafes and unique boutiques. Next, I find myself at the Anne Frank house, where history whispers through the walls, leaving a profound impact. The Jordaan District follows, with its picturesque canals and hidden art galleries waiting to be discovered. As the sun sets, I embark on a canal cruise, the city glowing in golden hues, offering a fresh perspective of its beauty. Day 2 is all about art. I immerse myself in the masterpieces at the Rijksmuseum and the Van Gogh Museum, each brushstroke telling a story. Before I leave, I unwind at Vondelpark, soaking in the tranquility, and indulge in the local flavors at Albert Cuyp Market. The stroopwafels are simply irresistible. 2 days in this enchanting city, and I'm already dreaming of my return.